Hello everyone, I am Ayaz. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about my journey in learning English. So stay tuned with me. I will explain one by one how I learned English language. So first of all, in my primary classes, I have merely focused on basic grammar rules in a broken way. So I was not well aware of the English grammars and its rules. However, I was focused on basic grammar rules at that time. I had been learning English since 2014. Yeah, properly since 2014. I elevated the grammar, pronunciation, and the basic rules. Then after I had have started to read out English novels. Yeah, so I have started to read out English novels aloud. By using that, I am focusing on my voice and my mind become active when I am reading aloud. So that's why I'm always reading aloud. After 2014, the time has been passed. As we all know, that time will never come again if it will pass. I has had been improving English in every day because I'm still learning English language. We shouldn't stop learning. We should learn things on the daily basis because there are many things to learn. As we all know that English is our second or third language. We are not native speakers that we will learn it for within 3 months, within 4 months, within 20 days. So it will take a lot of days to learn English, the consistency, and we should practice it on the regular basis. It will really help me out, and it will really help you out when you are starting to learn English language. I had been watched countless videos on YouTube. Yes, still I am watching videos on YouTube how to improve my pronunciation, how to speak like a native. So this I'm still watching on YouTube. I'm making videos for my YouTube channels. I have two YouTube channels. So on the daily basis, I am making videos for my two YouTube channels. I'm an engineer, so I am also teaching engineering related tips and tricks in my engineering channel, which is all the way in English. I am teaching them on YouTube in English. So here, this is my English channel. Here I am teaching English to the people, how I have learned this language, how people can learn this language. So that's why I am trying to share my knowledge and time to the people. So we should help them who are in struggling. So we all are struggling. So we will learn this language one day. We should uplift others as well, and encourage others to learn this language because it is an international language. It is too much important for it. It also decide our career. If we are not good at English, then we will never ever be succeed on this planet because now English becomes an international language. So if you will go outside or if you will work on social media, then your communication should be effective. If you are not good at English, then your communication could not be effective. I also made a habit of reading, writing, speaking, and listening in my routine. Yeah, I made this in my routine on the daily basis. If I have no time, then I was also practice English for 20 to 30 minutes. If I have time, then I used to focus on English for 1 hour, 2 hour on the daily basis. Still, I am adopting this rule. Reading and listening is called receptive skill. Yeah, if you are reading and listening, then you are achieving the receptive skill. And if you are focusing on your writing and speaking, it is called productive skills. If you are good at writing and speaking, that is also good. You have developed your productive skills as well. So if we are writing something on the daily basis, then we are remembering it for a long term. If we are speaking on the daily basis, then our speaking fluency will improve on the daily basis. Our confidence also improves by doing by adopting this habit. Throughout this journey, consistency, practice, and exposure to my learning were likely key factors in my progress. My advice to all of you is that never stop learning, always seeking out the opportunities to learn English language. You should practice it with your family members, with your classmates, in order to improve this language on the next level. So you should adopt these things. I never gave up till now. So I'm practicing English on the regular basis. If you will practice it on the regular basis, then one day you will learn English and your fluency will be improved gradually. It's not an overnight process that you will learn this language within one day or within 30 days. No, this is wrong. If people are saying you that you will learn English language within 30 days, so they are telling you a lie. You have to work hard to learn this language, because there are many phrases and there are many vocabularies that we have to find out on Google, because they are totally new to us, because we are not native speakers, we are learning it. So that's why there are many native speakers are also focused on grammars. I have posted a video there. I have seen that many USA people have also watched that video. It was about grammar. Native speakers are also learning grammar, because if we are Urdu speaking or any our mother tongue, we didn't know about the grammar. We didn't know a single word in grammar. Even I will not tell a lie. I don't know about the grammar in Urdu. My channel name is Develop Learning Habits. So you should develop your habits towards learning, because in the world, if you will look at the world, all people are struggling to learn something. If you will be good at English is the king of all skills. If you will learn English, then you will improve your other skills within 1 month. Yeah, I will give you a guarantee that you will learn other skills within 1 month, but you can't learn English language within 1 month. You're going through struggle. So that's why I am emphasizing you that you can't learn this language within 1 month. However, you could learn basics in English within 1 month. By learning it on the pro level, you have to practice it. You have to make it a habit for learning. So you should be stay motivated, be focused, be consistent to learn this language. It is a whole journey. You will not learn this language without consistency. You shouldn't focus on the memes. Now, our people are focusing on memes, so they are not learning. They are just focusing on memes and other silly things on social media. So if you are a learner, then you should don't focus on the memes and other silly things on social media. You should use a social media for your purpose, for your learning. You should use it for your learning, and for improving your skill, you should use this social media. Don't use this in a negative way. You shouldn't focus on silly things. You should focus on the new technologies. You should focus on the new things. You should focus on how to improve yourself on the daily basis. Don't compare yourself with other people. The comparison should be with yourself. If you will compare yourself that what I did in yesterday, what I will do in today, so that's why then you will become a positive person. If you will compare yourself with people, then you will be a negative person. You will never ever achieve a success in this worldly life. I suggest you that watch videos on YouTube, listen to the audiobooks, read out the novels aloud, speak English with your friends, with your colleagues, with your family members. So make a habit, make this a habit on your daily basis. Thank you so much, viewers. If you have liked my video, then don't forget to tap on the subscribe button.